Bonjour tout le monde! So today what we're going to learn is les articles partitifs. So what are partitive articles and how are they used in French? So partitive articles refers to unspecified quantity of food or liquid which is uncountable, where we are unsure of the quantity. So in every situation when we are talking about quantity of food or liquid or anything where we are unsure of the quantity, we will use partitive articles. Of course, there are many other rules and exceptions to it. So in English we can refer to it as the word some. So there are 4 forms of partitive articles that we'll do today. The combination of the article the with the different forms of definite articles depending on the gender and the number of the noun. So it is used when the noun is uncountable or we are unsure of the quantity is unknown to us. Secondly, it is placed directly before the noun, directly in front of the noun. And thirdly, it agrees with the noun in gender and number. So the combination that we'll use would depend on the gender and the number of the noun. So here are the combinations of partitive articles. We combine the article the with the 4 forms of the definite articles, which is le, la, l'apostrophe and les, and we get the partitive article. So the first combination here, the plus le, changes into du. So this combination, which is du, is used when the noun is masculine singular. And in the sentence we have to use partitive article. So we'll use this combination. Of course, we'll see the examples further on in this video. The plus la changes into the la, which is used when the noun is feminine singular. The third combination here, the plus l'apostrophe, it is used when the noun is beginning with a vowel or a silent H and is singular. Now the last combination here, the plus le, becomes they, and this one is used when the noun is in the plural form. So if the noun is in the plural form, we directly have to use the combination they. If at all in the sentence we need to use the partitive articles. So there is another rule in using partitive articles in sentences. Whenever these 4 verbs, which is aimer, which means to love, adorer, which means to like, préférer, which means to prefer, détester, which means to dislike, are used in a sentence, the partitive article will not be used. So instead of using the partitive article, we will use definite articles. For example, we'll see the examples here. Le premier exemple, j'aime le poulet. Alors, on a le verbe aimer. Okay, so that is why we will not use partitive article here. We'll use definite article. This is when we are talking in the general way. Usually what we do, usually I like this, usually I don't like this, usually I prefer to have this. So when we are using these 4 verbs, we will not use partitive article, but instead we will use definite articles. Let's take the second example here. Je déteste les pommes. Alors, on a le verbe détester ici. Donc, on utilise les articles définis et pas les articles partitifs. Je déteste les pommes. But instead, if we do not use this verb détester, we write it in the other way using another verb like prendre, to take. Je prends des pommes. I take apples. Je prends des pommes. I take apples. So here in this case we will use partitive articles because none of the 4 verbs are used here. Okay, so the third example, j'aime la viande. J'aime la viande. I like meat. So again, aimer is used So we will not use partitive articles, but we'll use definite articles here. But in the other sentence, if we change the verb and we use the verb manger, which means to eat, je mange de la viande, I eat meat. So in this case, we will use partitive article. I eat some meat, je mange de la viande, I eat some meat. In case the sentence is in the negative form and we need to use the partitive articles, we will use not the combination, but the combination will change into de or de apostrophe, depending on whether the noun is beginning with a vowel or a silent H. But this is not used in case the sentence has the verb être in it. So except if the verb used in the sentence is être, this rule applies. For example, je veux de la confiture. Je veux de la confiture. I want some jam. Je veux de la confiture. When we negate the sentence, this de la changes into de. This de la, the combination will not be used and we'll only use the article. Je ne veux pas de confiture. I do not want some jam. The second example, je bois de l'eau. I drink some milk. Je bois de l'eau. I drink some milk. When we are changing it into the negative form, je ne bois pas d'eau. Now here we have changed the combination into de apostrophe. Why? Because the noun is beginning with a vowel. So je ne bois pas d'eau. So let's practice some sentences to understand more of partitive articles here. The first example, voulez-vous de la viande? Do you want some meat? Viande, ça veut dire meat, which is feminine. So we use the combination of de with la. De la. Voulez-vous de la viande? Do you want some meat? Je mange du pain avec du beurre. I eat bread with butter. I eat some bread with some butter. So in both the cases we have used du. Why? Because pain and beurre, which is bread and butter, are masculine. Tu prends du riz et des légumes. You take rice and vegetables. Tu prends des riz et des légumes. Now, riz, which means rice, the quantity is unknown and it is masculine. We use a combination of de plus le, which is du. Après, des légumes, which is in the plural form, so we use des. Mes amis mangent des croissants. My friends eat some croissants. Mes amis mangent des croissants, which is in the plural form. So we use the combination of de plus les, which is des. Après, Robert boit du thé. Robert drinks some tea. Robert boit du thé. Thé is masculine. So we use de plus le combination, which is du. Alors, les enfants boivent du lait. Les enfants boivent du lait. Du lait. Now, milk is masculine. So we use the combination of de plus le. The children drink some milk. Les enfants boivent du lait. La dernière phrase. Mon frère prend des fruits. Mon frère prend des fruits. My brother takes some fruits. Some fruits. Fruits is in the plural form. So we use the combination of de plus les, which becomes des. So I hope you understood well the usage of partitive articles in French, les articles partitifs, and the different forms, the 4 forms of partitive articles, where to use, how to use. So keep waiting for the next video. Thank you so much. Merci, au revoir et à bientôt.